Assalamualaikum. Voice recognition in 60 seconds by Saad Ali Sayed, Network and Visual Administrator. Voice recognition technology is a software program or it can be hardware device that has the ability to decode the human voice, sometimes referred to as voice activated or speech recognition software. This technology has become more and more popular in recent years among everyday consumers. So that was all about voice recognition. As you can check it here in images as well. By these images, you can determine that what I mean by voice recognition. Okay, so device can recognize your voice as well by this technology known as voice recognition.